Hello, Room 12 botanists. Just a minute, please. I want to take a bite of my sandwich. I forgot to eat lunch, and I need some energy to make this video. Good. Everything that's alive needs food. Grandmas need food, teachers, second graders, dogs and cats, plants, especially plants. And have you ever seen a plant eat a sandwich? Doesn't want it. Have you ever seen a plant eat some cat food? No, they just won't eat it. That is because plants make their own food. And here's how they do it. Plants need three things to make food. They need water, they need air, and they need sunshine. Now we know how plants get water. It either rains, I'll put the rain over here. These are kind of long. Or we water, and it goes down into the soil. I'll put the water down here now. And here's how plants get air. The air can go in to the plant, and then it comes out again after it makes the food. And here's a bigger leaf so I can show you. Leaves have little tiny holes on the back, and you can't really see them unless you have a microscope, but they're there, and the plant takes in the air and then lets it out again through those little holes in these leaves here. Now, the other thing that plants need is sunlight. As we've learned before, plants make the food in the leaves, and so that's why I have this big leaf here so you can see it better. Here's my sandwich went down the wrong way. The water, the roots take the water up into the stem and into the leaves. The air goes into the leaves, and but it has to have sunshine. Sunlight has to shine down on the leaves that have the air and the water in them in order to make the food. And the food is a kind of sugar. And the food goes in, it's in the leaves, it also goes up to the flower, goes down the stem, and feeds the roots, and it feeds the stem too. And sometimes the roots keep some extra food down there for when the plant needs it later. There's one more thing that is in the leaves. This is in all the leaves, something called chlorophyll, and you don't have to remember that, but we're going to talk about it next time too. So there's green stuff in these leaves called chlorophyll, and when the sun shines on the leaves that have air and water in them, there's also chlorophyll in there, and that's what makes the leaves green. Chlorophyll makes the leaves green. Now, I'm going to take this off for a minute. You have some roots to eat today. Here's the soil. Here's the root, the carrot. Here are the leaves. So when you're eating this carrot, remember that water is in the soil. The root brought it up into the leaves. Air went into the leaves. Sunshine shone down on the leaves, and that made the food, the sugar, and the sugar went down into the root, and that's what you're eating. A carrot with some sugar that is food from the plant. Have a good week, Room 12 botanists. See you next time.